quick before you see the process, I'm going to show you colors. This is the base color. It is 262. I did 2 coats of that on each nail. I used a white and black gel, matte top coat, a pink and a silver chrome, this sculpted paint gel. This was for the 3D effect. And then this is the top coat I use. I need to clean that real bad. It's a stain resistant one. So I think that is pretty much everything that I used. So yeah, just keep watching and I'll kind of show you step by step how I got them.